Hi. Good evening, guys. Good evening, all of you. Everyone, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. So here we have come to the final stage of preparation. Yeah, Deep Jyoti, Ananya, good evening. We have come to the final stage of preparation. You can say everyone. Uh, in that final stage, right, the most important thing you should not forget is the usage of virtual calculator, right? Your preparation is 200% perfect है, but आपको virtual calculator usage नहीं आता है, right? So there is no use, right? There is no use, right? You will be wasting your it will be just a waste of your preparation, you can say, right? Yes, no? So virtual calculator, we should know how to use this virtual calculator fully, right, to the maximum extent, right? So for that purpose we have just taken this last minute one, you can say, all of you. So how to last minute tips to be remembered for virtual calculator, right? The most important things to be remembered while using this virtual calculator we'll be seeing, right? So degree wala ek bar okay, right, yeah, don't worry, we'll be seeing so here if we just consider these tips to use this virtual character, right? And whatever the doubts we are having, I will be just clarifying your doubts in the usage of this virtual calculator, you can say everyone. Okay, right. So now here all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everybody is ready to crack, all of you. Everybody is ready to crack. Everybody get ready to crack, all of you. What is that referral code you have to use whenever you are subscribing to this Plus and Iconic courses? That RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always. And this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use, RP Civil. These are all the subjects I am taking in Unacademy Plus platform, you can say everyone. And now the one of the most important news, that is Unacademy GATE offline center is starting in Delhi, you can say, right? Unacademy, which one you can say? GATE offline center is starting in Delhi. So for which batches? Classroom batch for this GATE 2024 civil engineering, classroom batch for this GATE plus CSE 2024 civil engineering, right? It will be started, right? So you know, these are the top faculty who will be teaching in Unacademy offline center, you can say, right? So don't miss this, everyone. Use that referral code RP Civil and subscribe to this, right? You can just scan this QR code to enroll for this and use the referral code RP Civil and get a 33% discount, right? Get which one? 33% discount on this referral code RP Civil, you can say, is not? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Right. So here these are all the features of this offline examination, you can say, everyone. So don't miss this opportunity. Use that referral code RP Civil and subscribe to this courses, right? So these are all the discounts you'll be having, it. Existing Plus and Iconic students will be getting which one? This is a 50% discount. So learners in other coaching institute also will get 50% discount, and early bird offer, if you are new, 33% discount you will be getting, and a discount on this merit if your GATE rank is lesser than 1000, you will be getting which one? This is a 20% discount, you can say, right, like that. Okay, these are all the discounts up to 50% discount you will be getting, right? Don't miss these opportunities, everyone. Right, so you just click on this, right? You just scan this QR code, you will be getting all the details of this, right? This is address Kasra number 262 West End Mark and Saidullah Job Saket, New Delhi, right? This is the one area where you are having this offline coaching, right? So now these are the new batches started, everyone. And on January 28th this Udaan batch was started, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil, the referral code you have to use always, right? Buniyaad batch also, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil as the referral code you have to use, right? Now prices are going to be increased. Before these prices are getting increased, all of you subscribe to this Plus and Iconic courses and or offline courses, right? You just get the benefit of price increasing, right? Yes, not? So this is a difference, right? Benefits, which one? Center, Iconic, Plus, Light. So for different subscriptions, right, different features you are having, right? Which subscription is leading to which activities, you can say, right, like that. Okay, so now coming to this, right, whenever you are using this virtual calculator, all of you, whenever you are using this virtual calculator, right, how is that virtual calculator looking like? So this virtual calculator, scientific calculator looks like this now, is or no? It looks like this or not, everyone? Yes, it looks like this, all of you, right? Suppose just for an example, right, you are doing some calculation, 56 into this 25, just for an example, some calculation we are doing, right? So whenever you are just doing this calculation, right, immediately after this calculation, right, what we need to do? Before starting the next calculation, we just have to clear this, right? That C you have to press it definitely, right? What is it you have to press? That is C, you can see it now. That is C, you have to press it, right? Press it for 2 to 3 times, right? What is that first and foremost important thing to be noted, everyone? What is the first and foremost important thing to be noted? Clear all. Okay, before, when we have to clear all, it is before a new calculation and after every calculation, right? After old calculation. So before new calculation and after old calculation, right, you have to clear this, right? Without clearing this, if you are just going up now, so what will happen? You will be getting the old value answers now, yes or no? So you will be having these old value answers, right? So to avoid this situation, right, what we need to do? You just have to clear this data first of all, right? You just have to clear this data first of all, you can say, right? Without clearing the data, don't go for this if you just have, right? Isn't it, everyone? You just have to clear this data, right? After clearing this data only you have to go for, you can say, yes, now without clearing this data you don't go for this, right? Yes, now, right? That is most important thing to be noted, right? That is the most important thing to be noted, right? Whenever you are using this virtual calculator, right? Without clearing the data, don't go for the other, right? And now, where you will be having this confusion, tell me? Where you will be having this confusion? Yeah, tell me, ask your doubts, right? Yeah, Dijjoti. So degree wala ek bar bata do. So एक minute, just I will be showing it, right? Suppose if you wanted to calculate which one, this is sine 30 degree. Okay, sine 30 degree we wanted to calculate if you just observe, right? Let us say sine which one? Sine 30 degree, right? Sine 30 degree 60. Okay, sine 30 degree and 20 minutes you wanted to calculate, right? Sine 30 degree 20 minutes you wanted to calculate, let us say. So sine 30 degree will calculate and sine 30 degree 20 minutes will calculate, right? But first, before you enter into that, right? Before you enter into that, right? So I must say that, so here you have to check, right? So this is in radian, RAD is there now. When this is highlighted, right? Have you observed this blue color highlighting? When this is highlighted, that when this is highlighted, right, you have to enter the values in radian, and when this left side one that is highlighted, you just go for which one? This degrees you can enter, right? So is it clear? The first and foremost thing you have to note in case of this degrees, first thing you have to ensure is what? What is that first and foremost thing you have to ensure, everyone? The first and foremost thing you have to ensure is that you have to go for what? You have to ensure that this degree is highlighted, right? You just have to ensure that this degree is highlighted, you can say, right? So once this degree is highlighted, so what we need to do here? Sine 30 degree you wanted to calculate. Whenever you wanted to calculate this sine 30 degree, so if you just observe, you observe how I am entering, right? 30, okay, 30, and here sine function is there. First I have entered 30, then if I am pressing that sine, so what it will become? Sine degree 30, right? You check it, sine d 30. So sine d 30 means what is that, you can say that 30 number is in degrees. If you just that 30 number is in degrees, you can say that 30 number is in what? Degrees, you can say, right? 0.5 you are observing. Now here if you just consider radians, if you are changing it, right, what happens, you can say? You clear this first before going to the next calculation. Now to, if you just observe, right, sine. So now how it is looking like, if you just observe, whenever you are entering this functional value, then function. So first you have to enter the functional value, then function, right? Then if you are entering like this, sine radians, right? Sine 2 radian value kitna hoga? 0.909, right? So that much you will be getting, right? So whenever you are using that degrees or radians, whatever it is, right? First, what is that we have to enter? first enter functional value, right, for any function. It is not only for this, right, it is not only for this trigonometric functions, but all other functions also, right. First we have to enter which value? Functional value. First we have to enter this functional value. After entering this functional value, so next what we need to go for? Next function. Okay, next we have to press which one? This function key we have to select. Now here you may get it out, right. So 30 degree 20 minutes is there, right. हम कैसा कैलकुलेट करना है? 30 डिग्री 20 मिनट्स को 30 डिग्री 20 मिनट्स को हम पूरा का पूरा डिग्री पर ही कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट. सो पूरा का पूरा डिग्रीज को भी कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट. सो इधर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So there is no, in your normal scientific calculator, right, what happens, right, the degree, minutes and seconds you can enter, but either is scientific calculator में ऐसा वाला provision नहीं है. Is it clear everyone? This scientific or in this virtual calculator such kind of provision is not there. Degrees, minutes and seconds, right? Yes, degrees, minutes and this seconds will not be, cannot be entered. Okay, degrees, minutes and seconds separately cannot be entered. You have to convert everything into degrees. Is it clear, Deepjyoti? Your doubt got clear? So 20 minutes बोलो तो क्या? 20 minutes बोले तो क्या? 20 minutes बोले तो राइट क्या होना है, राइट. 20 divided by this 60 ना, ऐसा ना. 20 divided by this 60 means 0.333, right. 0.333 if you just observe, you can say, ऐसा ना. 20 by 60 इतना डिग्री कंसिडर करना है, राइट. 20 by 60 degrees we have to consider, you can say, right. Now tell me what is this value if you just observe. This is your sin 30 degree 20 minutes ना. So sin 30 degree 20 minutes बोले तो क्या? 20 minutes बोले तो क्या? Sin 30.33 degree, right. Sin 30.33 degree, you can say, right. Like that you have to enter, right. So clear all, what you need to do? 30.33. फर्स्ट साइन फंक्शन एंटर करना है क्या और उसके अंदर वैल्यू एंटर करना है क्या? वैल्यू वी हैव टू एंटर फर्स्ट, डेफिनेटली ना. यू हैव टू एंटर द वैल्यू फर्स्ट, देन आफ्टर द वैल्यू ओनली यू हैव टू गो फॉर द फंक्शन, राइट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू एंटर द वैल्यू, then you have to go for this which one, then you have to go for which one? This function, is ना. So now 30.33 डिग्री, so ये डिग्री हाईलाइट हुआ था एंड 30.33 है एंड हम साइन एंटर करें तो क्या होगा? साइन डी 30.33, राइट. व्हाट डज इट मीन? साइन 33.33 डिग्रीज इज हाउ मच, राइट. सो साइन आर है तो इधर वो वैल्यू कौन सा यूनिट्स में ले रहे हैं कैलकुलेटर? वो वैल्यू, इस वैल्यू को रेडियंस में सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ना, ऐसा ना. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू एंटर दिस वैल्यू, देन यू हैव टू एंटर व्हिच वन, देन यू हैव टू एंटर व्हिच वन? दिस फंक्शन. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? द सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू बी noted. First important point is what? Before you start any calculation, what you need to do? You just clear the memory of the previous calculation, right. You just clear, you just press C before entering into the next new calculation, and after that whenever you are using any function, first you enter the functional value, then उसके बाद function को press करना है, right. So हम एक function को देखेंगे just for an example. If you just observe, what is it? We'll see. Suppose log, how much it will be? Suppose this kind of function is there, right. So this value we wanted to get it, right? Just for an example I have taken, right. So what is that? Log 20 square plus 40 divided by this 60 बोले तो क्या? फर्स्ट क्या करना है? फंक्शनल वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना है ना. फंक्शनल वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना है, राइट. कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? सो 20 स्क्वायर प्लस दिस 40 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 60 ना. सो हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? 20 स्क्वायर प्लस 40 बाय 60. सो ऐसा कैलकुलेट करना है. सो before calculating the new, before starting the new one, ओके एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे, राइट. ओके, इस लॉग के बाद एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे, राइट. इज ना, या हम हर एक एग्जांपल कुछ डाउट है तो इस फंक्शन पर हम पूरा का पूरा एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे, राइट. कौन सा फंक्शन में आपका डाउट है उस वो फंक्शन को हम देखेंगे, राइट. डोंट वरी, राइट. उस फंक्शन को, right. What is that? You can say first 20 square na. So So 20 you are having, right? 20 you are entering, then square ना. So what is the square? X square press करना है ना. 20 प्रेस किया था हमने, फंक्शनल वैल्यू x का वैल्यू, इसके बाद x स्क्वायर फंक्शन प्रेस करे तो क्या होगा? स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस 20 400 होगा ना. सो 20 स्क्वायर प्लस क्या है? प्लस 40 है ना हमारे पास, राइट? 20 स्क्वायर प्लस 40 है ना, प्लस 40, राइट? सो हम इधर 400 है, नीचे वाला बॉक्स में 400 प्लस क्या करना है? 40. यू जस्ट प्रेस दिस 40 एंड इसके बाद इक्वालिटी सिंबल प्रेस करे तो क्या होगा? 440 आएगा ना, 440 आएगा, राइट? सो इक्वालिटी सिंबल, देन आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट प्रेस दैट डिवाइडेड बाय सिंबल, देन 6 होगा, राइट? 6 क्या होगा? 440 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 कितना होगा? कितना होता? 73.33, राइट? सो नाउ दिस इज द फंक्शनल वैल्यू ना. सो फर्स्ट पहला हम फंक्शन वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट किया था ना, फंक्शनल वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट किया था हमने, उसके बाद फंक्शन को अप्लाई करना है, राइट? कौन सा वाला फंक्शन है वो? नेचुरल लॉगरिथम वाला फंक्शन है ना, ऐसा ना? वो नेचुरल लॉगरिथम वाला फंक्शन है ना. LOG बोले तो log to the base 10, LN means natural logarithm, right? So LN of this one you will be getting the answer, right? Equality symbol press करे तो 4.2950 you will be getting, right? Like that. Is that clear? 4.2950 you are getting, right? This is the value you are getting, right? Is that clear, everyone? So just tell me one example you wanted to convert. So okay, some tan 35 degrees 12 minutes, 35 degrees 12 minutes, and which one is 10 seconds, right? So ऐसा वाला calculate करना है ना, no? Shall we see this, everyone? Shall we see this kind of example how to calculate? Tan 35 degrees 12 minutes and 10 seconds, right? First इसको minutes और seconds को degree पर convert करना है, right? कैसा होगा? So 35 degree होगा प्लस 12 बाई कितना होगा? 12 बाई 60 होगा, प्लस विच वन दिस 10 बाई कितना होगा? 60 into that 60 होगा ना, 60 into that 60 होगा, right? Tan this much you can say, right? So what is you can say? 35 plus what is it you can say? 12 by this 60 plus what is that? 10 by this 60 square, right? So that is your tan of this much, right? Is now, so how to calculate this? If you just have 35 plus, right? 10 by 60 square. It's now first we'll calculate which one? Clear all you can say. So now 10 divided by which one? This if you just observe this 60 square na, 60 if you just observe, अरे यार एक मिनट, 60 if you just observe, right? Square, right? 10 by this square of this is 60, right? 10 by this square of 60, how much it comes to be? 10 by this square of 60, this much it comes to be na? ऐसा no, this much it comes to be, right? Plus क्या bracket open करो, so क्या है इधर? 12 by this 60 ना, ऐसा no, 12 by this 60, right? Plus which one you can say? Plus this 12 divided by 60, ब्रैकेट को क्लोज करो, राइट? 12 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस 60, ब्रैकेट को क्लोज करो, राइट? प्लस क्या होगा? प्लस कितना होगा? प्लस दिस 35 होगा ना, प्लस दिस 35 होगा, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द फाइनल वैल्यू यू कैन से एवरीवन? 35.2027 ना, 35.2027 degrees you are getting, you can say, right? So now tan of this one, right? So tan of this function if you just observe, right, what is it you will be getting? 0.7054, right? Is that clear now, everyone? How to do this? Is that clear now, everyone? How to do this? All of you, is that clear? Yes or no? So what we need to do? 10 by this 60 square, right? 10 by this 60 square plus this 12 by this 60 plus this 35, right? So how much it comes to be? So 35.207, right? Tan of this function, right? Is it clear? Yes, yes, inverse trigonometry से that वो पूरा का पूरा डिग्री में आएगा, राइट? वो पूरा का पूरा डिग्री में आएगा, राइट दीप ज्योति? सो एक बार देखेंगे हम. सो क्या देखना पड़ता है हमको? सो tan इनवर्स ऑफ विच वन? दिस इज 0.156, जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल, राइट? tan इनवर्स ऑफ दिस 0.156, राइट? देखेंगे हम इसको. tan इनवर्स ऑफ दिस 0.156 बोले तो क्या? क्लियर करो. पहला फर्स्ट क्या है? 0.156, right? 0.156, right? tan inverse, right? 0.156 फंक्शन वैल्यू एंटर किया था ना, tan inverse of this, right? ये tan डिग्रीज, राइट? सो हम इस कौन सा यूनिट्स में आया, ये tan d बोले तो वो फाइनल वैल्यू डिग्री में आएगा ना, 8.87 डिग्री में आएगा, राइट? 8.87 डिग्री आया वो, 8.87 degrees, you can say like that. Is that clear, everyone? Yes, Pranav, this is the first session, means already very long back I have taken many sessions corresponding to this virtual calculator, but just a lot last minute tips, what to remember, what to forget, right? So very important things to be remembered, that is only I am telling. Okay, here already previously I have taken, you just text me, I'll be sharing you all the links, you can say, right? Some questions also I have done, so all subjects questions also I have done, right? RCC, steel, environmental, geotechnical, right? Hydrology, right? Those questions also I have done, you can say. Some examples I have taken and I have done with the virtual calculator also, right? So you just text me, I'll be sharing all the links to you. Okay, everyone, right? So और कुछ डाउट है क्या? x पावर y बोला था ना किसी ने, x पावर y बोले तो क्या, राइट? दैट इज योर 26 पावर दिस 125, है ना? 26 पावर दिस 125 देखना चाहते हैं हम, सो 26 पावर दिस 125, राइट? सो क्लियर ऑल कर दो. सो ये x पावर y है ना, यस यस, वो रेडियन में रहेगा तो, राइट? वो हाईलाइटर है ना, सो ब्लू कलर में डिग्री वाला हाईलाइट हुआ था ना इधर, वो रेडियन हाईलाइट हुआ तो, सो हम सेम कैलकुलेशन सेम जैसा करें तो रेडियन में आ जाएगा वो, राइट? यस, इनवर्स वाला में वो रेडियन में आ जाएगा, राइट? सो इफ यू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व 0. I'll do it, right? 0.156 tan इनवर्स ना, सो tan इनवर्स, राइट? क्या होगा, ये रेडियन में होगा, राइट? 0.154 रेडियंस होता है वो. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? ओके, दैट इज फाइन. क्लियर नाउ. x पावर y बोले तो क्या, राइट? जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल, इफ यू चेक इट, 2 x power y, if you select, right, that will become which one? This is 3, you can say, right? So now tell me, x power जैसा फंक्शन है तो x और y दोनों रहे तो कैसा एंटर करना है? फर्स्ट x वैल्यू को एंटर करना है कि और फर्स्ट y वैल्यू को एंटर करना है हमने? फर्स्ट x वैल्यू को एंटर करना है कि और y वैल्यू को एंटर करना है हमने? फर्स्ट कितना, कौन सा वैल्यू को एंटर करना है? फर्स्ट x वैल्यू को एंटर करना है ना, ऐसा नो? सो फर्स्ट x then y, right? So you have to be careful, right? x power y है तो फर्स्ट किसको एंटर करना है? फर्स्ट एंटर विच वैल्यू? फर्स्ट एंटर दिस x वैल्यू, उसके बाद फंक्शन की प्रेस करना है ना, फंक्शन की प्रेस करो, फंक्शन की प्रेस करने के बाद, राइट, y वैल्यू एंटर करना है ना, ऐसा नो? एंटर y वैल्यू. इज इट क्लियर? So these are important, right? These points are very very important. If you are confusing na, entire calculation will be gone, right? Then enter this which one? This y value, right? Is na? So 2 power 3 देके तो 8 आएगा ना. So first 2 you have to enter, then x power y function we have to enter, then after that 3 we have to enter it, then what it will become? 8 it will become, right? So हम देखा था ना इधर 2 power 3 and so हम ये फंक्शन को देखेंगे, राइट? 26 पावर दिस 125, राइट? फर्स्ट 26x है ना, x पावर y में x बेस है ना, सो 26 टू द पावर ऑफ 125. सो इधर दिखाता है ना वो कैलकुलेटर 26 पावर दिस 125 बोले तो क्या, 7.44 इंटू 10 पावर 176 ना, 7.44 इंटू द 10 पावर 176 आएगा वो, है ना? इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? So log x to the base y में भी ऐसा होता है क्या? log x to the base y. हाँ, फर्स्ट हमको नोन फैक्टर को चेक करेंगे, राइट? उसके बाद दूसरा वाला चेक करेंगे, राइट? सो log 8 to the base 2 means how much it comes to be, that will become this 8 बोले तो क्या, 2 क्यूब आता है ना 8 को, 2, so this means 3 into that log 2 to the base 2, राइट? बोले तो क्या 3 आना पड़ता है, राइट? सो हम चेक करेंगे, राइट, कैसे एंटर करना है, राइट? सो इधर भी वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं, नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं, राइट? x पहले एंटर करना है, उसके बाद फंक्शनल वैल्यू फंक्शन की, उसके बाद फंक्शनल, उसके बाद y वैल्यू. So log 8 to the base 2 na, yes or no? First we'll enter which one, right? Log x to the base y means, right, first you have to enter x value means 8, then you enter this 8 log base y कितना 2, वो 3 दे रहा है ना, yes or no? Yes, that is giving absolutely the same value. So what does it mean? You can say in case of this log function also हम किसको कौन सा वाले वैल्यू को एंटर करना है, पहला x वैल्यू को एंटर करना है, x वैल्यू एंटर करने के बाद हम फंक्शनल की को प्रेस करना है, फंक्शनल की को प्रेस करने के बाद क्या करना है, y वैल्यू को एंटर करना है हमने, है ना? So is ना, is it clear? Everyone is it clear of you? is ना? Like that you have to do it, right? So इसको क्या है, वाइथ रूट एक्स रहता है ना, राइट, वाइथ रूट एक्स में भी ऐसा एंटर करना है ना, ऐसा ना, वाइथ रूट एक्स में भी ऐसा एंटर करना है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज इट, यू कैन से 56 राइट, 56 वाइथ रूट 56 वाइथ रूट ऑफ एक्स ना, फर्स्ट एक्स वैल्यू को एंटर किया, राइट? सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस 56 इफ यू जस्ट व्हाट इज इट, यू कैन से root 3, right, means cube root of this 56, right? How much it comes to be, that 3.8 ना, हम चेक करेंगे known value. Let us say just for an example, right, cube root of 8 enter करें तो right 2 आना पड़ता है ना, चेक करेंगे, right? So y root of x ना, right, this is your y and this is your x है ना, so हम चेक करेंगे इधर वो satisfy कर रहे हैं नहीं, right? अरे यार where it has gone. First we'll enter into this x value, right? Clear all first of all, then you press 8, then which one, y root x, right? Then you press which one, this 2, right? So example, right, what is it you can say, what is it you can say if you just observe, sorry cube ना, sorry cube root enter करना है, sorry so 8 enter करो फर्स्ट वाला and y root x enter करो and 3 enter करो, क्या आना है आंसर, राइट, आंसर 2 आना है ना, यस इट इज वर्किंग ना, डेफिनेटली. सो नाउ डू यू रिमेंबर 3 important points, right? What are the important points? Before starting any new calculation, clear the old calculation values just by pressing this clear C symbol. And after that what we need to do, whenever any function if you are selecting now or any operation you are doing, first enter the value and after that press the functional key. Okay, first enter the function value, उसके बाद function की press करना है, right? उसके बाद function की press करना है, is ना? Suppose दोनों variables रहे तो function में x और y दोनों रहे तो क्या करना है हमने, फर्स्ट x वैल्यू को एंटर करना है, उसके बाद फंक्शन की प्रेस करना है, फंक्शन की प्रेस करने के बाद y वैल्यू को एंटर करना है, एंड सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द आंसर, राइट? इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? These are the major 3 important things you have to focus more, right? Is it clear everyone? These are the 3 important things we have to focus more, you can say, if you just observe, right? Is it clear everyone? Clear all of you? Clear all of you? Right. Suppose if you are just having, I'll be just adding e power 2 plus which one, this log 10 to the base 5 minus what is it, you can say, minus 6 to the power of 2, right? Like that I wanted to calculate it. Then what I need to do, at a time I wanted to do this calculation, right? At a time I wanted to do this calculation, right? How it is possible? Is it possible? So either हम memory plus और memory minus को use करना है इधर, right? So first वाला function calculate करके m plus press करना है, right? So सेकंड फंक्शन कैलकुलेट करके m प्लस प्लस करना है, सो थर्ड फंक्शन कैलकुलेट करके m माइनस प्लस करना है, राइट? सो क्या आएगा इधर, हम इंडिविजुअल कैलकुलेट करेंगे एंड मेमोरी फंक्शन यूज करके कैलकुलेट करेंगे, राइट? ऐसा ना, विल चेक बोथ द वेज, राइट? विल चेक बोथ द वेज, राइट? सो दैट यू विल गेट क्लैरिटी, राइट? ई स्क्वायर, राइट? ई स्क्वायर बोलो तो क्या, ई स्क्वायर रहता है ना, ऐसा ना, स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस वन, राइट? 7.3890, व्हाट इज इट, यू कैन से 7.3890 plus what is that, log 10 to the base 5 na, log 10 to the base 5 means, right, how we will be getting it, log 10 to the base 5, clear? First of all log 10, what is that, log 10 to the base 5, log 10 to the base 5 na, right? First we have to enter this 10, then base 5, right? How much it comes to be, 1.430, 1.430, right? Minus 36 na, right? Approximately how much it comes to be, So this is 7, this is 8, 8.8 you can say. 36 minus this 8.8 is approximately which one? This 28 something, right? 28 something, right? But here हम वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर एक ही बार कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो क्या है, क्या होगा? ई स्क्वायर ना, ई स्क्वायर. ओके, एंटर किया. सो एम प्लस करे तो मेमोरी में सेव हो जाएगा. क्लियर करो, राइट? उसके बाद क्या करना है हमने? दूसरा क्या है? log 10 to the base 5 ना, log 10 to the base 5, राइट? सो log 10 to the base 5 बोले तो क्या? सो इधर m सिंबल आया था ना, मीन्स समथिंग इज स्टोर्ड इन द मेमोरी, राइट? log 10 to the base 5, राइट? सो क्या है? 10 एंटर करो, log x to the base 5 एंटर करो, देन 5 एंटर करो, equality symbol, right? So then this is that which one? This log 10 to the base 5, right? Yes, m plus press करो, right? m plus press करो तो क्या? It will be stored in the memory and added to the previous value, right? And अभी clear करो. क्या करना है? 6 स्क्वायर ना, so 6 स्क्वायर कैलकुलेट करो, इसको m माइनस कर दो. So what is that answer you will be getting finally? So if you just update memory, right? What is that you can say? m, or if you just update memory recall करे तो क्या आ जाएगा? memory recall करे तो क्या आ जाएगा? minus 27.18, right? That is what I have said na, just 28, 27 nearby you will be getting. So like that you have to do it, right? Is that clear everyone? How to use this memory function? How to use this memory wala function? Memory plus memory minus. Is that clear everyone? How to use this memory plus and this memory minus? Is that clear everyone? So memory plus use करे तो so वो value memory में storage हो जाएगा and previous value को add हो जाएगा, right? is ना? And memory minus plus करे तो so ये वाला अभी आया था ना, latest value will be deducted from the previous one, right? is ना? Deducted from the previous one, right? Like that. Is that clear everyone? Is that clear everyone of you? is ना? Suppose sir, here m is showing, then you just press this mc, right? हम c press करें तो कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा, mc press करना है, right? mc press करो तो क्या? पूरा का पूरा memory clear हो जाएगा, right? So memory values are used and after that you wanted to store a new memory, means that before a new memory storage you just press mc, right? That is you just press which one? This mc, right? Is it clear everyone? Before storing new values, right? What we need to do? Press what? Press mc, right? mc को press करना है ना. So or tell me, so these are the important tips to be things to be remembered when you are using the virtual calculator, right? Clear करना है नया कैलकुलेशन शुरू को होने के पहले. और क्या है? फर्स्ट x फंक्शन है तो फर्स्ट फंक्शनल वैल्यू एंटर करना है, उसके बाद फंक्शन की को प्रेस करना है. x और y दोनों वेरिएबल्स रहे तो फर्स्ट x वैल्यू को एंटर करना है, उसके बाद फंक्शन की प्रेस करना है, उसके बाद क्या करना है? y वैल्यू को एंटर करना है, राइट? सो दैट इज नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन, मेमोरी यू कैन से, राइट? जस्ट सिंगल वैल्यू ओनली आई वांटेड टू स्टोर, राइट? सिंगल वैल्यू ओनली आई वांटेड टू स्टोर इट. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल 30 into which one? This is 6.1, 6.2, just for an example, right? This is a value obtained, right? Then what we need to do? We just press on this ms, okay? Just press on this ms, so that value will be stored. That's it, right? Clear everything. Then you wanted to go for which one? This 50 divided by उस वैल्यू को रिकॉल कर रहा है, राइट? अभी स्टोर किया था ना, सो देन प्रेस mr, राइट? प्रेस mr, राइट? सो 186 आया था ना, सो क्या होगा? 50 डिवाइडेड बाय दिस दैट mr बोले तो mr प्रेस करे तो क्या? अभी स्टोर हुए वैल्यू आ जाएगा इधर, राइट? लाइक दैट. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? हाउ टू यूज दिस मेमोरी फंक्शंस? ms and ms for which one? This is single value storage. m plus for adding to the previous value, m minus for deducting from the previous value. mr बोले तो क्या? पूरा का पूरा रिकॉल हो जाएगा, राइट? अभी तक कौन फंक्शनल कैलकुलेशन होगा, राइट? व्हाटएवर इट हैपेंड दैट विल बी रिकलेक्टेड हियर, राइट? इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? राइट? नाउ टेल मी, एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट्स एनीवेयर इन दिस? I'll just try to show that, otherwise I'll close the session. So these are the important things to be remembered whichever I said till now. Okay, tell me anyone, any doubts? कुछ तो कुछ डाउट है क्या आपके वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर यूसेज में? किसी फंक्शन यूसेज में डाउट है तो पूछ लो, सो हम डिस्कस करेंगे, नहीं तो हम क्लोज करेंगे सेशन, is ना. Tell me this value all of you. Anyone? Any doubts? If no doubts, I'll close the session. If doubts are there, you just ask me, I'll clear those doubts. Clear? Everything is clear? कुछ तो कुछ doubt नहीं है ना? All are clear? Everyone? Okay, okay. Shall I close the session? Shall I close the session? कुछ डाउट नहीं है तो मैं क्लोज करूंगा, राइट. डाउट है तो पूछ लो, राइट. हम डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट. वंस शो कैलकुलेटर. ओके, दिस इज अ कैलकुलेटर. यस यस. दीपक कुमार पांडे, यस दिस इज कैलकुलेटर है ना. या दीपक टेल मी. देख लो एक बार ध्यान से, कुछ फंक्शन में कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ लो, हम डिस्कस करेंगे इधर. If no doubt, I'll close. If doubt, just ask me. All got? Okay. Shall I close the session, everyone? Shall I close the session, all of you? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Right, thank you. All the best for your examination, right, all of you. Thank you. All the best.